Regrow hair at home. Your hair is said to be your crowning glory, and it's normal to want to improve your hair if it's not to your satisfaction. Hair fall and thinning of hair are common issues today. Modern lifestyle, exposure to pollution, and the use of chemical products deteriorate hair quality and lead to hair fall. Excessive hair fall is a serious hair issue and if not paid attention to sooner, can lead to thinning and balding. It takes an eternity and a lot of effort to grow your hair long and luscious, and maintaining its health is another one super hard task. Losing that prized possession is something no woman, or man, would wish for. Many people experience aging-related hair thinning or male or female pattern balding. Some causes of hair loss are genetics, childbirth, nutritional deficiencies, medications, dandruff or scalp psoriasis, intense emotional or physical stress, heat, styling your hair regularly, and more. But don't worry, here we have one of the most effective home remedy to regrow your hair. Aloe vera is an awesome, easy-to-use remedy, often overlooked. Aloe vera boasts a vast repository of amino acids and proteolytic enzymes which efficiently help improve scalp health and boost hair growth. Benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which help heal and repair the damaged cells in your scalp. This improves the health of the hair follicles and indirectly boosts healthy and faster hair growth. Not only does the proteolytic enzyme help heal the scalp, but it also helps stimulate dormant hair follicles, promoting hair regrowth. It also helps curb hair fall and controls hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe your scalp of irritation and aggravation. Its antifungal and antiviral properties to treat dandruff and flaking. Aloe vera's high content of protein, vitamins, and minerals help it nourish your follicles and hair efficiently. The moisture content of aloe vera helps condition your hair, locking in nutrients and hydration. You may not have heard of it, but using onion juice is one of the oldest hair remedies. Onions contain sulfur, a nutritional element, which is used by your hair, especially in terms of growth and strengthening the strands. The onion juice stimulates the scalp, and improves blood circulation. It also nourishes the scalp, tackling any issues. Benefits of onion juice. Onion juice helps improve hair growth by boosting the level of an antioxidant enzyme catalase. This enzyme helps decompose hydrogen peroxide, optimizing the hair growth cycle. It helps nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. Sulfur is essential for the regeneration of your hair follicles. The rich sulfur content also helps minimize hair thinning and breakage. The antioxidants help reverse premature graying and delay graying. Onion's rich antibacterial properties help keep your scalp healthy and free of infection, promoting unhindered hair growth. These same properties also help control dandruff. Onion juice stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood, resulting in follicles that are well nourished. You will need 1 cup onion juice, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Process: take about 1 to 2 large onions and blend them to a puree in a blender. Use a cheesecloth to extract the juice. To the juice, add the aloe vera gel and mix well. Massage this mixture into your scalp and work it through your hair until your hair is saturated with the liquid. Leave it on for about an hour and then proceed to rinse your hair. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and finish with conditioner. Apply twice a month for best results. This is one of the more intense hair growth treatments. It helps curb hair fall and promote hair regrowth. Aloe vera with onion juice is an excellent hair growth ingredient that stimulates your scalp and the dormant follicles on it. Regular use of this mask will give you amazing length and thickness. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.